Right, hey guys, so different setting today. I don't know why I've decided to do a video here, but we have. And today is the day, but I've cheated. Today is FabFitFun. This is the first FabFitFun box I've ever had. It's a US box, but you can get it in the UK. It's $50. I think the shipping was $8.99. I'm not 100% sure on that. I will pop all info down below for you. I'll also pop down a coupon code as well. But you do not pay any taxes when this comes into the UK at all. You don't have to pay any fees at all. What you pay at FabFitFun is all you have to pay for it to get to you, which is absolutely fantastic. And this box is absolutely incredible. I'm so glad that I ordered it. And let's dig into it. I do know what's in the box because it came yesterday and I couldn't help myself. So I do know, but I haven't sniffed anything or tried anything or anything like that. So I'm just going to pop the box to the side of me because it's freaking big. I mean, it's big. So I'm just going to pop it to the side of me so that I can get things better. You might still see the corner of it. I do apologise. So in it you do get the FabFitFun booklet, which tells you the prices of everything. Doesn't really give you much information, but it is quite a nice little booklet. It says about tips and tricks. You've got like your select members bits, top rated FabFitFun products. And you get, it says on this one you got 5 ways to boost your workout as well, which is nice. Embrace the seasons to do with food. And then you've got what's in the box, so it tells you everything that could have been in the box. I'll refer to that just for the pricing. The total value of this winter box was between $194.94 and $429. My box came to $349, which I was like, I did pick 2 or 3 of the items. I think it was 3 items I got to pick. My first pick is actually the most expensive thing in my box, which I am dying to open, which is a scarf from Donny. And there was a discount code, but sadly it was only for December. But it's from Donny, and it doesn't really say anything on it. It's made in China. It's 100% acrylic, and the price of this was $99. It just says a soft 3-tone scarf will keep you warm and stylish when it's chilly. I've been dying to open it. I do like a scarf. I'll try to get out of damage the packaging too much. So let's get this open. It is really soft. Oh, that's pretty. So it's a big thick old scarf with 3 tones on it. And then you do have a bit of a thrilly bit here, but it's nice. It's massive. I mean, this is half the size of it. It is a big old scarf. I'm not going to undo it all the way, but that is massive. So glad that was one of my picks. I've not even tried that. And then my next pick was this, which is from Rodal. It's this here, and it is a Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. It says on here, plump your skin with this moisturising mask, which fills fine lines and smooths wrinkles. This was $58. This was one of my picks. I can't remember if you know the pricing when you pick the items. I'm not sure. It is sealed, which is why I haven't been able to smell it. If it wasn't sealed, I probably would have done. So this is going to be great for my nighttime. I do like to wear a nighttime mask. Just popped on my hand. Okay, so it's like a cleary consistency. Cleary colour. Oh, it does have a bit of a scent to it, actually. It smells quite nice. It feels sick when I'm rubbing it in, but as soon as it's in, oh, it does smell nice. It smells, I want to say almost like clinically. Almost like a hospital toilet, but in a nice way. That sounded odd. It smells really nice. It's really lightweight. It feels quite thick when you start putting it into your skin. As soon as it's on, it's nice. And so that is a overnight mask. It says on here, instructions to put a thin layer onto cleansed skin, allow to absorb throughout thoroughly, ideal for use overnight or in flight. So it's meant to be quite moisturising. I actually think it should be quite good for me. I do have some fine lines here, which do collect a lot of makeup, which is why I don't wear too much makeup. And it says, yeah, it's got skin plumpers, and I do feel like I do need something like this. So that was that one. I do like that. Smells amazing. And then my next product is the third thing that I picked, which is resistant bands. Hang on. You get 3 in the pack. I am trying to do a bit more workouts this year. So you get 3 in the pack. You get the light, the medium, and the heavy. And I haven't used them yet. I need to find out actually how to use the bands properly. But yes, I'm really excited to do them. I have been skipping quite a lot. Well, I say quite a lot. I have been doing a bit of skipping and stuff. So hopefully I can use this. And these were $34. So those are 3 items that I picked myself. And then we're just going to go into the other bits that are in the box. So we've got a soap sponge. It's a body wash infused buffer from Beyond Cleansing. I do like soap sponges actually. I really like them. Yeah, it's a box flower. It just says clean your skin from neck to toe, up to 14 washes in here, and this is $16. And let's have a look. Right, so that's what it looks like. So I have used soap sponges before. I have currently got one in my shower now. Ooh, that smell! I can't figure out that smell. It's like very slightly florally, but like a clean floral. Oh, that smells nice. I've dropped the box on the floor. No, that smells really nice. So I'm already using a soap sponge, but this will be going into my cabinet for me and hubby to use afterwards, because I think that is quite a... I think both genders could use that scent and it would work well. What else have we got? So we've got this one here, which is something I probably wouldn't have ever bought for myself. Everything else I think I probably would have done. But this one is from Blanq. So my pronouncing is rubbish. It's a hydrogel eye mask with hydrochloric acid again. It says deep up your under eye area with this activated charcoal eye mask for a fresh look. And these were $29. It's got some plastic on it. I don't know if I can be able to do. Oh, I can. Let's have a look at them. The only masks I like are the overnight ones or like the mud masks. I don't really like putting face masks like the sheet ones on, mainly because I have 2 kids and it's a pain in the ass trying to keep it on and run around after 2 children. So let's just have a look at these then. So it says you get 5 masks in here. So you get, okay, so they look like this on the one side, and that's in there. If you can see, got like some liquid in there. They look quite thick actually. But there's those, and you get 5 packs of those in here. And it says on the back, cleanse your skin and eye area. Take them out, gently apply them 1 centimetre below each eye. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. To continue your bright-eyed ways, use the mask twice a week. So there is those. So I'm excited to try those. But I've never tried anything like that before. I don't tend to have these kind of masks. So there's that one. And next one is Intelligent Nutrients, Plant Stem Cell Science, Refining Micro Polish. So there's this one. This is a cleanser, I assume. Is that English? No, where's the English bit? Bear with me. Okay, so there's a superfine polish, gently exfoliates with plant jojoba beads, damp face and neck, massage gently exfoliating dead skin cells, rinse product off and pat dry. So that's that one, and where is it in here? And this one is $57. Open it up and we will just have a quick look at it. So that's what the packaging looks like. Nice, nothing too fancy. I do quite like a nice plain packaging. It's got a seal on it. I do find actually everything in this box does have a seal. Whenever I get my normal boxes, my normal subscription boxes, I find not many things actually have a seal. And my hand smells, so I'm going to put it like on my wrist here so we can have a look. Alright, let's do it back up so I don't lose any of the bits. This will probably go into my... So that's what it looks like. It's very, very... I don't know if you'll be able to see at all. But it is very, very fine. I was a bit worried that it would be a bit too harsh for the skin. Oh, I'm not sure what I think of that smell though. It's it actually reminds me of when I was a child. I went on a school trip to a Victorian thing. I can't remember what it was anymore. What is that? I don't know that. I'm looking at it now to wipe my hand on. Yeah, I went to like this Victorian thing with my school when I was young. And that's what the place smelled like, and it really didn't, it really made me feel a bit sick. So, I don't know. I'll have to see, I'll have to give it a go, and I'll have to have a look, see if the smell goes away as soon as I wipe it off my face. I mean, it's still on my hand now, but I haven't actually washed it. But, okay, that might be a pass along to my sister-in-law. But there is that product. I need to get my sheet. Right. And then we've got 2 more products in the box. We've got the Creme de la Creme. I'm not even trying to pronounce the name of this. It's a body cream formulated with Canadian botanics to moisturise, and this is $30. I almost thought when I first saw this that it was a giant hand cream. I was like, oh, another hand cream, because I got so many. So I was actually quite chuffed when I realised that it was a body lotion. Right, so I'm going to squeeze some on my opposite hand. Oh, it's quite thick. It's a really, really thick consistency. So, that is there. See, it's quite thick. It's really soft and real nice and creamy, though. That little bit has gone a long old way. So that tiny bit's done like the whole of the back of my hand. Oh, that smells really nice. It reminds me of, like sweets. Like a sweetie shop kind of. Oh, no, that is nice. I said, this is $30 and oh, it's nice. It's free from parabens, sulfates, which is nice. It's also cruelty free. Okay, I like that. So that is 75ml as well, so that's nice. They're all full sized. Then the last thing I got in my box, double check. Yeah, the last thing I got in my box is this from Grace and Stella, and it's Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. I will get this out of the box and give it a sniff, and this is $25. It's a rose infused spray. You know, it's a rose spray. Not really a lot you can say about one of those, but it feels hefty. I'm going to open it up. And it's vegan and cruelty free, which is nice. And it's also paraben free. Try and get it out. Oh wow, that is a hefty bottle. So there's the size of that bottle compared to my hand. I have small hands, but still, that is a hefty sized bottle. What mil is it? It is a 240ml or 8.11 fluid ounces. That is big. I'm not going to spray it on my face, but I will spray it in the edge so I can give it a bit of a... Then it said this is $25, I can't remember if I said. Ooh. I sprayed that right in my nose. That was disgusting. That's gone right up my nose. It's a typical rose scent. It is, I'm just going to open the bottle up because that went right up my nose. I can't really give it a good old scent. Yeah, it is definitely a rose scent. I can't explain it. I don't know if I like it or not. I do like quite a subtle rose. I think that's quite a strong rose. But I do like to use a face mist when it gets hot. I used to use one from Tropic Skincare, which is their vitamin toner. But that might be a real nice alternative, as it is hydrating. And yeah, so in my box we got, just to give you a bit of a rundown of all things, that it was worth $349 and I paid $50, well $49.99. So we got the Spray All Day Rose Spray, we got the soap sponge, got the exfoliating, which is actually a real nice light exfoliant, so that could be used for daily use. And the refining micro polish, we got the eye masks, we got the nighttime mask, the resistance bands. I'm running out of hands. Got the body lotion, and it's all gone wrong. And we've also got the scarf as well. Good job none of that was glass. So we've got absolutely loads in this box. All really, really nice stuff that I've thrown everywhere. Literally the only thing I have left on my table right now is this. But yeah, guys, so that's everything that I got in my box. No, leave it. Like the dog's now trying to eat things. No. I really enjoyed this box. So this is the winter edit. I'm pretty sure you can still get this edit. I kind of came a bit unprepared. I didn't look. I went, I need to smell this stuff now. I'm going and I'm doing my video. But I will put all information down below about, I'll put my link down there, and you do get a bit of money off, I think. But I said I will put that down below. And you have to do a profile. So it's very, very individual to you. It'll ask you about makeup, about skincare, about exercise, health, nutrition, fashion. It asks you about everything. And you literally just tick the boxes, and it's very, very individual to you. So you get to pick. When I did this box, I got to pick 3 items, which are scattered across the floor now. And I had to pick the resistance bands, the dragon blood mask, and the scarf. And then the other things were tailored to me by FabFitFun from my profile. I'm pretty sure there was one thing that everyone got. Let's have a look. Overseas and members get the opportunity to pick items in their box based on personal preference. Pick the product you like, and that's it. Yeah, I've read that, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, you could have got either the spray all day rose spray, or I can't see what that is. I think it's a restore something. I'll show you just here. I'm not quite sure what that is. But by the looks of it, you could have got one of those 2 items. I'm just seeing if I can find it in here now, so I can try and give you a bit more information about it. No, I can't even see it in here, so I don't know quite what that one was. But it looks like you had a choice that I've got one of those 2 items. So I'm quite glad I actually got the rose spray, because that would be really handy for me and the kids, to be honest, in the summer. But yeah, guys, I'm now going to go outside. I'll pop all information down below, because I am really unprepared. It's not a box I know. And yeah, if you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do quite a lot of unboxings, and I will be doing a bit more of a skincare testing, what I think of a makeup-y thing. I don't do makeup, so I'm not even going to pretend that I'm good at makeup. But I think it might be nice for you guys to see like a dumb person's reaction to what I think of makeup and skincare. Because I like it, but I don't know anything about it. So guys, as I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and keep on watching all my videos. See ya!